What's up, my inspiration? No is a complete sentence. It does not require justification or an explanation. How many times in life have you been faced with a request from a family member, friend, or colleague that you honestly didn't want to oblige, or for legitimate reasons wasn't able to fulfill? However, just to avoid what you assumed would be conflict or disappointment from the party making the request, said sure, or the all too common, no problem, when everything about your body language indicated that it was. Well, when it comes to caring for our mental health and wellness, one of our greatest allies, ready at any given moment to provide us with peace of mind and more control of our time, is the powerful word better known as no. And I understand that saying no too often can potentially create unwanted distance between you and others, or possibly lead to a life of isolation. However, if this isolation is for the purpose of self-reflection, relaxation, or the need to maintain a healthy distance from any form of negativity, then by all means stand your ground. Now, with that being shared, in this video, the goal is to shed some light on a few of the plus sides of saying no. So here are 3 benefits of saying no.
1. Time management. Saying no means you value your time. It's the best way to separate yourself from worldly distractions like toxic people, places, or things. As many of us know, life can bombard us with demands from multiple sources. Now, if you're not careful, you can find yourself losing precious time and energy catering to the needs of others, while neglecting your own. No, in this case, means freeing up time to engage in healthy activities that bring you peace and joy.
2. Self-care. When it comes to our self-care, it's very necessary for us to say no to people and situations capable of interfering with this need. In doing this, it will afford you the opportunity to reap the benefits personal care has to offer, because it is also a form of self-preservation. In short, self-care is giving the world the best of you, not what's left of you.
3. Prevents you from becoming a yes man. There's a saying that comes to mind: you teach people how to treat you by what you allow, what you stop, and what you reinforce. Now, if you're the type of person who says yes to any and all requests, you can find yourself stressed, overworked, and taken advantage of. So, by saying no often, and as needed, will build up what I call your no muscle, allowing you to protect, preserve, and properly care for your mental health and wellness as you see necessary.
So, when it comes to caring for your mental health and wellness, learn the art of saying no. Don't lie. Don't make excuses. Don't over-explain yourself, but stand firmly in your no. And once mastering this skill over time, you'll know just how liberating your life could be. This is James Alexander, your mental health and wellness coach, aka your inspirational wordsmith, helping humanity rise one word at a time. And remember, words are free. It's how you use them that might be costly. Have a phenomenal day.
If you or someone you know is considering suicide, please contact the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 1-800-273-TALK 8255, or text HELP to the crisis text line at 741741. Or go to suicidepreventionlifeline.org.